Welcome to Ignitho Talks. I am your host Dinesh Konadala. In today's session, we have with us a lead data scientist of Ignitho Technologies, Mr. Nirmal Kumar. Welcome, Nirmal.
Thank you, Dinesh. Thanks for the warm welcome. So happy to have this conversation with you.
Yeah, likewise. The pleasure is ours. So, Nirmal, I have a couple of questions that I would like to get your view on. So, first, what do you do at Ignitho as a data scientist?
As a data scientist, there are different areas we need to focus on. It all boils down to three areas. One is like understanding the data pipelines, understanding the exploratory data analysis, and identifying the right models. So I can expand a bit on these three. Like understanding the data pipelines is like for a different data science problem, we have to fetch different data pipelines and different data sources. Likewise, we have to understand the hypothesis behind each data sources and connection of the models. And finally, we have to adapt to the right model for the right data. Then we will arrive at the final data science solution. So these are the three key areas as a data scientist we do as a day in and day out job.
Okay, got it. Thank you. So, in your day-to-day activities as a data scientist, while you're performing the various tasks, what are the challenges that you face?
So, as I said, like the main ingredient for any data science problem is the data sources, right? So, any solution that we provide is based on the available data sources. There will be instances, all the data sources are readily available. Sometimes we have to go and talk to the tech team and identify the data sources. So understanding the data sources and which data is getting into the model is always crucial. That would say like 70 to 80% of our time spends on like understanding the data behind all the models. So for example, earlier for structured data, we used to have Aurora as our source for procuring data. Recently, we moved to S3 and Athena, which can handle high volume and variety of data, and both structured and unstructured data. It is like much faster than Aurora or any structured databases that we used to have earlier. So understanding the data sources and pulling the data to the model is always a challenging task.
Okay, got it. So you face a lot of challenges and you're happy to overcome them.
Yeah. Sure.
So when it comes to data science main roles, we all associate immediately to ML and AI, machine learning and artificial intelligence. So how do you use machine learning in your day-to-day activities?
Machine learning, we can call it like even a small algorithm, we put it on a data and we can use it as a prediction for a time series model. Anything we can do it. So machine learning has like how big the problem is, how the architecture is. So for that, we always have like a serverless community. For example, right now we are using SageMaker. Earlier we used to have EC2 as a computing instance. But EC2 involves a lot of manual intervention and it is highly time consuming compared to SageMaker. So SageMaker is a comprehensive ML service which can handle high-level algorithms like XGBoost, CATBoost algorithms, or high-level classifiers, recommendation engines. All are like inbuilt algorithms also there. We can build a custom algorithms also. So SageMaker is complete serverless architecture. So we don't have to worry about how the data is being loaded or like how the model is being deployed because it is being handled backdoors. So we don't have to worry about the technical part of it. So SageMaker will save a lot of time and also deploying high scale model is much easier in SageMaker. So comparing EC2 SageMaker, we prefer SageMaker right now.
So you use SageMaker for the ML purposes?
Yes, correct.
Thank you for being a part of the Ignitho Talks. We wish you all the best.